Conserving large ocean areas can help restore the ocean, promote climate resilience, enhance livelihoods, economies, and marine biodiversity. Success will require courageous action and collaboration at a pace and scale never seen before. Join us at BlueNatureAlliance.org.